Hello folks, my name is Manish Srivastava, and in this video series, I'll show you how to deploy a Docker image on Google Cloud Run. In this first video, I'll talk about the basics of Cloud Run, the other entities that go with it, and the lucrative aspect for choosing it from other options. So what is Google Cloud Run and why should we choose it? Well, it's a service by Google Cloud which lets you run your backend code on Google's infrastructure without worrying about managing the servers or scaling them during high traffic. You see, without Cloud Run, you would need to create a virtual machine, install all the necessary softwares, deploy your application as a Docker container, configure network access to make it publicly available, and set up HTTPS certificates. And in case your app receives more traffic, you would have to manually spin up additional VMs. Repeat the same setup process and configure a load balancer to distribute the traffic among them. Plus, you keep paying for the VMs as long as it's running, even if no one is using your app. But with Google Cloud Run, you just give your application as a container and Google automatically starts it when a request comes, stops it when it's not needed, and scales it up or down depending on traffic. And you pay only for the time your code is actually running, not for idle servers. So if your web app has API endpoints like post routes to collect and save data, Cloud Run is one of the best and most economical platforms to deploy it. Before proceeding further, we need to perform few prerequisites actions such as creation of a project on Google Cloud, creation of a billing account, and linking the billing account with the project. These three are the initial steps that we need to perform. So let's get on to it. Creation of a project on Google Cloud. First, let's go to the Google Cloud console. Click on this hamburger icon and go to I am an admin, and in this you would find manage resources option. Click on this, you'll get an option here called create project. Click on this and give it a name. I would give it a Cloud Run demo, and no organization is involved, so I'll just hit create. After a while, your project Cloud Run demo is created. Just refresh the screen, and in no organization hierarchy you would find Cloud Run demo project created. Creation of a billing account. Go to Google Cloud console. Click on this hamburger icon in the top left corner and go to billing option. Click on link a billing account. So these are the steps for creating a billing account. I'll click on agree and continue. In this step, it is asking for my name and address. So let me fill that up. Now it is asking for the payment method. I'll add pay by UPI QR code. Click on start free button. And it prompts you to make a payment. It's actually not a payment, it's a mandate for having the auto pay enabled on your UPI. So I'll do exactly that. I'll scan the QR. So yeah, auto pay is set successfully. That means our billing account is successfully created. So give it a while. This prompt, this overlay will be gone, and yes, it's gone. I'll click on this OK button. So our billing account is created. Now it's time to link the billing account to the project. By default, when a billing account is created, it is automatically linked to the project in which the billing account was created. So if you want to check it out, you click on this drop down and click on manage billing accounts option. In your projects tab, you would see that in our project Cloud Run demo, my billing account was automatically linked. In case you want to change the billing account, You click on these three dots and click on change billing. Right now I don't have no other billing accounts, but otherwise it would have given you the list of the other billing accounts. From there you get to choose the other ones. Now that we have linked our billing account to the project, we have to verify whether that billing account is active or not. So in this list, clicking on manage billing accounts option, I see that my billing account which I created earlier is not showing in this table when the filtering parameter is active. That means the billing account is not yet active. Removing this, it shows that yes, the status is closed. So what we have to do to enable it is click on this account, and on the top it gives you the recommendation, the steps that you need to perform to make it active. That is, you need to give some prepayment to the account. So let me make a payment of some amount. Minimum prepayment that I can perform is 1000, so I'll go with this. So here the payment is done, and this modal will be closed in few seconds. It's closed. Let me refresh the screen and see whether the billing account is active yet or not. Yes, it's active, and let's verify it over here once again. Yeah, it's active. Now that we have performed 3 prerequisite steps, let's go to the next video where I'll show you how to deploy a Docker image into Cloud Run.